Strategic line number 2, safe and healthy housing. The ACCIH project takes advantage of GIZ's experience in the rural areas of Peru to improve the quality of houses in selected areas and to reduce their vulnerability to climate change, mainly against the extreme cold weather conditions. Since January 2012, the ACCIH project has been promoting measures to improve the thermal comfort in houses, such as improved stoves and installing photovoltaic systems. This has been done in 12 districts of the Castrovirreyna and Huaytará provinces, which are part of the river basins of Ica and Pisco. The work done to improve the infrastructure of the houses selected with regard to thermal comfort were done through constructive solutions taking into account the social, economic, and cultural dimensions of the population. This resulted in 1. Better thermal insulation of the home, which consists of eliminating or reducing the entry of cold air into the home through the sealing of the holes that exist between the adobe bricks, walls, and also between the walls, windows, and roofs. This will keep the homes warmer. Thermal insulation of the roof is improved by installing corrugated roofing with ichu, a type of straw, between the panels and the ceiling of the home. Thermal insulation of the floor prevents the humidity from coming through the floor and delays the decrease of the internal atmosphere of the home in both the living room or bedroom. Thermal insulation of the windows by installing double window panes, creating an air cushion that reduces the exchange of temperatures between the inside and outside of the home. 2. Introducing heat into the home consists of elevating the average internal temperature of the home through the following measures. Greenhouses adjoined to the home. The construction of a greenhouse plays a dual role. Firstly, the greenhouse captures the heat from the sun that has been radiating during the day to later radiate the bedrooms through a simple PVC pipe that heats the inner rooms of the house. The heat can enter the house through the tubes, which are opened during the late afternoon hours, thus allowing heat to radiate into the house from the greenhouse. This way, we are able to improve the internal thermal comfort of the home, which in turn contributes to the reduction of respiratory illnesses in the high Andean areas. Secondly, the greenhouse provides an area where vegetables and herbs can be grown that would not easily grow at such high altitudes to improve the family's nutrition.
Gracias a Dios que ha venido estos apoyos a nuestra comunidad de Jatumpampa, porque tenemos luz, han hecho fitotoldos, cobertizos y también esta casa que está hecho de madera y en la noche lo destapamos esta parte de acá, o sea, para estar calientes.
Skylights in the roof. The installation of a skylight helps heat up selected rooms of the house during the day through solar radiation, which slows down the cooling of the home during the night. Temperature readings have been taken in selected homes and show that the added effects of these measures raises the internal temperature of the home by 10 degrees Celsius. This is quite significant when compared to similar homes without such thermal comfort measures. Complementary work has been done to improve the rural homes, such as wall plastering, internal and external painting of the rooms that are to be the kitchen and bedrooms. The building of pantries with eco-refrigerators and organic gardens, among some of the other work done on the houses. These activities were carried out through the support of the Camayocs, expert farmers from Cusco, who are very knowledgeable about the different relevant issues of rural Andean development, including healthy homes.
También gracias a Cooperación Alemana también apoyamos con mangueras, con aspersores y así, y con semillas de alfalfa, con semillas de hortalizas y cosas que ellos para que sigan cultivando y mejorando, más que todo en la agricultura. Toda la asistencia técnica le doy a domicilio a cada familia.
We have promoted the use of 300 efficient cooking stoves through training and maintenance that will have a positive effect on the household's health and economy. It will help reduce the negative effects of smoke on the eyes and respiratory system, mainly of those of women and children who spend most of their time near cooking stoves. It will also reduce the time and energy on finding and collecting wood, consequently resulting in less household expense and lessening deforestation. We've also supported home improvement related to the energy demands through the installation of 300 photovoltaic systems or solar panels. This helps families to have a solar lighting system in a place that allows them to have renewable energy in their homes. This not only saves some money, but also means that fewer smoky candles and kerosene lamps are used, again reducing respiratory and eye infections. Before, for light in the home, they would have to buy batteries, candles, or kerosene every week.
Con este panel solar ya no gastamos ni en vela, más antes gastábamos comprando por paquetes cuando perdió el querosene, más antes con querosene estábamos pues, con linterna y ahora no gastamos ni pila, no compramos ya.
"36 entrepreneurs and 60 beneficiaries have received training on systems for the improvement of thermal comfort, installation, and maintenance of photovoltaic systems and the construction and maintenance of efficient cooking stoves."
Estamos tarrajeando mi casa. Este es un confort térmico que estamos haciendo. Estoy tarrajeando. Después de terminar de tarrajear, voy a poner el cielo raso para que esté. Después, último, una pintada. Después tengo también mi panel solar, que está acá, está foco, ya de noche para que estudien mis hijos.
Yo vengo trabajando con la cooperación alemana GIZ desde el 2013 y vengo desarrollando diversas actividades, ya gracias a la capacitación de la cooperación en distintos puntos como los fotovoltaicos, creación de microempresas, el riego por aspersión. Quiero agradecer a la cooperación alemana en nombre de toda la comunidad porque la mayoría han sido beneficiarios acá.
Another important aspect of the project has been sustainability. For example, the development of a manual on the improvement of thermal comfort in the high Andean regions has been made through an alliance with the National Program for Rural Homes from the Ministry of Housing. The book Sheltering Homes, which we also published with the Ministry of Housing, collates and summarizes the experience of numerous institutions that have been working on thermal improvements in the high Andean areas for several years. The focus is on the development of local technology and adapting the technologies to the local social and environmental conditions.
Abrigando Hogares es fruto del espíritu de colaboración interinstitucional por reunir en un libro las experiencias y logros alcanzados por diversas instituciones que contribuyen a mejorar la calidad de vida de peruanos y peruanas en la zona rural, abrigándolos del frío extremo en zonas altoandinas del Perú. En sus páginas, Abrigando Hogares compila y difunde variadas experiencias sobre construcción de viviendas rurales realizadas a lo largo y ancho del territorio y detalla su tecnología constructiva. Es un valioso aporte que rescata el conocimiento y la experiencia de los hombres y mujeres de la zona rural, de la academia y de los técnicos y los pone al alcance de la mano para cubrir las necesidades de las familias. Abrigando Hogares facilita el intercambio de tecnologías, conocimientos y sus páginas tienen lo necesario para formar parte del legado constructivo del Perú.
In this way, the ACCIH project works in direct cooperation with other organizations to improve the quality of homes throughout the areas selected in Ica and Huancavelica, as well as disseminating the knowledge and experience, thus fighting the negative effects of climate change and ensuring sustainability.